So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial of Adobe Premiere Pro software, where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can add the blur effect in the video, or you can say the Gaussian blur effect in the video which you are editing in Premiere Pro software. So basically it's a very simple process. So all you have to do is to basically simply open the Premiere Pro software and create a project that you want to edit. For example, I've created a project named Untitled and imported some clips that I want to show you as example. Now if I add drag and drop the clip to timeline, it is now available in timeline. Now basically you can see it's a simple clip. Now if I want to add the blur effect in this, all I have to do is to go to find an option of effects over there. You can find that option by clicking over there. Also you can see the effects option is right there. If you won't able to find this option, you have to go to the option of Windows at the top corner and check the mark of effect. You can see currently it's already check marked. Now find that option of effects. The window will open right in front of you, where you have to find the option of video effects. You can see it's just right there, or you can basically simply search the effect name, which is Gaussian blur. You can see that spelling is GAU, and you can see the Gaussian blur is right there. Just simply drag and drop this effect to your video, and that has been now added to your video. Now if you see the effect control panel right there, the blurriness level has been now for now it is 0. You can adjust this as much as you want, or you can add the keyframings over there as well. So that's a really interesting and quick tutorial of adding blur effect in your video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting Premiere Pro related and more such interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.